Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh my God!
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Alexa, what is today's date?
Good morning, Candace Denise. Today is Wednesday, December 4th.
Happy Vlogmas Day 4! What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good. Stay sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. So, y'all, as you can tell from the title, we're about to make an ugly Christmas sweater. Good morning. Don't forget your ugly Christmas sweaters this morning. Drive safely. Sending a message to my team so they don't forget. So I found out Monday that we were having ugly Christmas sweater day. And I was like, oh, I'll just pick up one on Tuesday. Tuesday came and went, and I did not pick up a sweater. So I went in my closet and I found a sweater. Now, it's not ugly, so don't even do that. But this is a pink and red sweater that I got from Target around Valentine's Day. And you can do the same thing with any sweater that you have. Once before I did bows, but I don't want to ruin this sweater with hot glue. So we just gonna have to rig it up some kind of way. I'm trying to button it so I can show you what it looks like. Almost there. There we go. Finally, 3 years later. So this is what the sweater looks like. I got it in a size 2X. Who's this? A New Day. So I love this sweater. It's so super cute. So I want to make it ugly. Well, I don't think I can make it ugly. And I feel like even though with the idea that I have, it's still not going to be ugly. It's going to be cute, but whatever. So, got the sweater. And so, as you can tell from my kitchen, I decorated with red bows. So, I was like, I think I have some leftover red bows. So, I think what I'm going to do is just try to attach the bows to the sweater. How many bows do I have? That's 3. So, 3 bows. I do have some ribbon as well. And I also have this garland. And I just thought about it, like, if I had a stapler, that would be perfect. But I don't. So I definitely want to put one on the back. Let me see where the back is going to land. So probably like the 3rd red line. And then I'll probably put one here, one here. I think that's what we'll do. And then I'll add the garland to the bottom and around the sleeves. Okay, so let's see how. This is one I already took loose. So this should be able to go through the sweater with no problems. And it did. Okay. And pull it through. And then I'll tie the strings. It's the little twist tie. There we go. Oh, twist it. There we go. Look, isn't it cute? Okay. So we got that. All right. Do I want to put it on the foot? Yeah. Okay, so let's put that through on this one. I kind of stick them through to the little ridges. Okay. And make sure to pull it all the way through. And while I'm doing this, I'm trying to think about what shoes I want to wear. Because I have some pink and white dunks. And I can also wear my UGG boots. Or my UGG slide, or my Taz UGG slippers. I don't know what they call them. So that's an option as well. I don't know. And I kind of don't have time for all that either. I might just do pink and white dunks. Okay, so I want to kind of make sure that it's in sync. And the crazy part is that I've seen like some really cute Christmas sweaters, but I just haven't bought any. I haven't had an ugly Christmas sweater since before I moved to California, honestly. I think in the process of moving, I maybe sold them or threw them all away. Like Christmas wasn't coming again. Like sometimes I just don't be knowing what I be thinking. All right, we're gonna pull this side through. I'll make sure that lined up. Okay. And twist it. Okay, let's check it out and see what we're working with. It's kind of sticking me in my bag. Oh yeah, I could put on the pink and white dunks because the white shirt is gonna be showing. Okay. what y'all think so far. And then this garland. Like I said, I don't want to glue anything to it, so I'm gonna just tie it around the sleeve. I like this. Do I have another short piece? Now I'll have to cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Yeah, I have to cut it. Okay. But let me do the one around the waist. Do you think I'm gonna win the contest? You know what? I'm gonna leave it like this. You know what? I just be doing too much. And I'm okay with that. I just be doing too much. I'm okay with that. I need some scissors. Where the scissors at? 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 That's definitely not gonna find them. Oh, they're right there. I did look up some ideas on Pinterest, but like I said, I don't want to ruin this sweater because it is a really, really cute sweater. Like, I really love it. And I might don't even need this around my waist, honestly, y'all. What y'all think? I think that'll be doing too much. But I'm gonna take it just in case I need to do too much. Okay. There we go. Cute, right? Let's see if I can get this one, because I'm right-handed. Without tearing it. Okay. Bam. I think that should be good. What do y'all think? I don't want to do, well, I think the point of a Christmas sweater is to do too much. What y'all think? But I still want it to be cutesy. Maybe this is doing too much right here. And I just need to have it draped at the bottom. Like going around the bottom of the sweater. Like such and like so. What do y'all think? Okay, so let me go put my shoes on and let's go look in the mirror and see what we think about the final. What do y'all think? I should probably put on some hoops or something. I wish I had some Christmas earrings or not. So I had to see it for myself, but I definitely do love the look, y'all. It's ugly, but it's still cute. You know, ugly cute, ugly chic. What do you think? I'm gonna staple this though. And I think once it's stapled, it'll be good. So that just goes to show you, you can be creative. You can work with what you got to get what you want. So if you don't have an ugly Christmas sweater, don't worry. Just go in that closet, grab what you have, grab what you do have, and make it work. Or you can go to the store and get one too, but then you want to be like everybody else's because they make a million of them. Let me know down in the comments if you are going to an ugly Christmas sweater party, if you already have an ugly Christmas sweater, or if you're gonna make one. Let me know down in the comments. Make sure y'all like this video and make sure, of course, that you're subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. Cause we're in Vlogmas, y'all. We post a video every day and it's already day 4. That is so crazy. But let me get out of this house because I gotta go to work. I love you guys. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. Or the bottom of my bow. I will see y'all tomorrow in the next Vlogmas video. Love you guys.